Hello, Jim Marshall, the New Bedford Cable Network. We are here at the 2025 New Bedford Health, Benefits, and Wellness Fair. The event is held annually for city employees and retirees and features a lot of different things that they can look at, do, and it's a great opportunity for them to get better with their health. So let's go in and check it out and see what's going on.
You want a medium price, you can get a yoga mat, a workout band set, a shake protein water bottle, or a City of New Bedford cup.
All right, we're talking to Jose Gouveia. He is the Director of HR for the City of New Bedford, Personnel, Human Resources. Two-day event this year for our fair. Tell us about, first of all, a lot of work goes into this. You planned for this for a long time, and your staff does an amazing job. Just tell us about the preparation for this.
So let's start with a two-day event. Last year it was very successful. We did one day. But as we are trying to accommodate as many employees in their schedules, the city works around the clock, so we wanted to accommodate 2 days. This way, if you could not make it a time in one day, you have availability on the other day. And as far as that with the team, of course, I want to take a little bit of time to recognize everyone who has been supporting us, who has been providing such a huge help. Departments of the city have been here. My team has done a phenomenal job, and this is around the clock on this week and several weeks and months of preparation for this. So the purpose of this is not just about health or wellness or mental health. It's also an opportunity for engagement, employee engagement. This is for our employees. This is an opportunity to learn something, spend some time together, and do something that's enjoyable.
And retirees, if you've mentioned too.
And of course, we cannot ever forget the hard work from our retirees because they have contributed so much to the city. And it is important to see them and know when they too, I appreciate it.
Have you seen the difference from the 1 to the 2 days so far?
It flows better. I'm getting quite a bit of feedback, and so has my team, that it is more accommodating to the schedule. Inclusive, some people have said that if it wasn't for the 2-day schedule, we probably would not be here this year. So I'm glad that. And as far as the flow, it's consistent flow as you can see, but there's a lot of more engagement this way versus having a rush hour and then kind of a little bit slow down. So it's been pretty steady. The pace of having people around is working quite well.
And I don't know, but it seems to me you've got more participants this year, it seems, too.
That is correct. So in our communications with the vendors, part of the planning is communicating with them, understanding what the outcome that we wanted to present, even the layout of the tables, and at the same time having materials that they can take home and afterwards and read it. So the vendors have done a phenomenal job being here and also presenting quite a bit of information that's important for the employees.
One thing you mentioned, I think it's a great thing last year, and I just kind of repeat it, I know it's the same thing, but it's important to have this. It's important to talk about health and wellness for employees of the city, really for any business, but talk about the city and why this is important.
So when it comes to your health part, a lot of it becomes reactive. You get sick, you go to the doctors, you go to the hospital. But there's a prevention method that needs to take place. So educating them is something that is important. Provide a good and better understanding of the benefits is another one. But there's a wellness component, and the wellness is all the educational piece that happens when you feel that you don't need it, when you can read and educate. So the city, my team has done a phenomenal job as well, that every month we send out a newsletter with several topics. And topics from breast cancer awareness, to mental health topics.
I was just going to say, you've talked about mental health as well. You've really emphasized that since you've come here. Exactly. How important, when you're talking about health, it's not just your physical health, mental health.
Exactly. And that's the part that a lot of times are hidden. People feel more comfortable talking about their physical, but when it comes to their mental health, they feel a little bit more reserved. And it's okay to talk about it. It's okay to tell you have resources. It's okay to tell you have people that can hear you out and listen to you, and refer to part of our employee assistance program as well. So all this is a preparation for you to have a healthy life, mental, physical, and it's important that you know that you're not alone.
Well, the staff did a great job. This has been so, I know there's a couple hours left, but congratulations, a really nice job.
Thank you, and I appreciate you being here as well, but also recognizing the HR team, because at the end of the day, this was around the clock for my team. There's no way this could ever happen without them, so thank you.
Hello and welcome to our Health and Wellness Fair. I have here Miss Jenny Fuller. Say hello, Jenny.
Hello.
Can you tell us about the activities going on here today?
So we have a few different vendors. We have credit unions. We have wellness with gyms, we have nutrition, we have tea, coffee, a whole bunch of different vendors today.
Awesome, awesome. And is there anything else you would like to tell the city today?
That we just appreciate each and every employee, and we do work hard for this, but it's well worth it to see that it benefits our employees.
Thank you, Miss Jenny.
This is Life Enriching Hypnosis. I'm a hypnotist, and I'm also an instructor, which means I teach and I certify people who want to become a hypnotist, anyone who's interested in hypnosis. I also help people stop smoking, lose weight, eat healthier, sleep better. I'm located in New Bedford, Massachusetts at 135 Summer Street, my private home office hypnotism practice. Starting in October this month, every third Sunday of each month, I'll be at the Boys and the Girls Club of Greater New Bedford, where the New Bedford Wellness Initiative program will have a hypnotist, which I'll be doing smoking cessation. So I'll help people stop smoking, and all this is for free for residents, for people around the area. They have yoga there, they have mindfulness, they have Zumba, they have nutrition, they have meditation, all that other stuff. So if you're interested, come down to the Boys and the Girls Club every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12. And anyone who wants to quit smoking, you can come see me. That'll be every third Sunday of each month from 10 to 12.
We're here to promote services for AAA and try to bring attention to products and services that we have other than road service that people that are members, a lot of people walking through here are already members but may not be aware of the other services that we offer, like auto, home, and life insurance, or we might be able to save you money, or our AAA Visa card. We do registry services, and also our travel agency that can help with tours and excursions and things like that. If you want to become a AAA member, you can visit the AAA Fairhaven office at 32 Fairhaven Commons Way, or you can go online, or you can give us a call.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Chiavelli. I work with the City of New Bedford Inspectional Services, and we are at today's health fair. Our table here is for healthier options. If you look here, these are what most of us would typically pick. However, these are other choices that we should be picking.
Hi, my name is Tamara Silva. I'm one of the community health workers, and I work with the South Coast Community Wellness Program. Today we have here some information on health and wellness, self-care, nutritional information, to quit smoking, and also oral and to stay active. We have information on meditation and yoga, and also healthcare proxies.
Hi everybody, this is Carabiners Climbing and Fitness. My name is Jessica, I'm the manager over there. We are your local rock climbing gym. We're actually the 7th tallest gym in the entire country, so we have something pretty spectacular to offer here in Little New Bedford. We have 65-foot walls. We do 6 auto belays, so what that means is anyone can come in. You can come in alone, you can come in with a family, with friends. If you're old enough to go upstairs, you're old enough to rock climb, so we can take kids as early as 2-3 years old, and it really is great for all ages. It works the entire body. One of the best workouts you can get. Flexibility, balance, endurance, strength. You're going to be working everything there. We take you from the ground up. We teach you everything you need to know. We also offer full fitness classes and a full workout studio. So we've got aerial yoga. We get you up into silks. We do pole fitness. We do Pilates. And we're always looking for new instructors also to come and join our team and give some new offerings to the local community. So come check us out. We're at 328 Parker Street in New Bedford. We're right across from New Bedford High. And we are located, we're there, info@carabiners.com if you want to reach out by email, and our phone number is 508-984-0808. So come check us out, Carabiners Climbing and Fitness.
So I'm Megan DaCosta. I am the Tobacco and Marijuana Program Manager here at the Health Department. So we are here bringing lots of health promotion items to our city staff. We have some tobacco cessation information and materials. as well as sharps containers and pill dispensers, med deactivation bags, all of these important things so that we want to share with our fellow staff members, as well as free flu vaccines. So you can contact the health department at 508-991-6199 and ask to speak with Megan if you have any questions, comments, if you have any concerns about any retailers or questions about any of our local laws or regulations, and we'll be happy to help you.
So we're at the Wellness Fair, and we're with Liza, as we are every year, Liza Rebello, who is the nurse here for the health department. Before we do this, just for general, why is it important for folks to get the flu shot?
Yeah. So the influenza virus is prevalent in New England every year. It peaks in the fall, and it's important to get your flu vaccine because it can lessen the severity of your symptoms if you get the flu, and it can help diminish the spread throughout the community as well.
And it's important, every year I know you say elderly, kids, it's important for really all age groups to get it.
Yeah, yep. Vulnerable populations, the very young and the elderly population, they can get more sick from the flu, but it can offer protection for anyone so that you're sick less, out of work less, your kids are out of school less.
Is there any concern, I know people always say, well, what about the vaccine itself? I mean, obviously you're a health professional. Any concerns that you see with the vaccine itself?
Yeah, so the flu vaccine has been around for a very long time. It's generally very safe. There's rare exceptions that someone shouldn't get them. It's recommended for individuals 6 months and up. If you think you may have a particular health condition that you shouldn't get it, we recommend talking to your doctor about that and understanding if it's right for you. But generally, it's very safe and effective.
And obviously, I'm getting it here, but for people that are watching, I mean, you should be checking with your doctor. There's plenty of places to get the flu shot right now.
It should be available at primary care offices, at commercial pharmacies, CVS, Walgreens. You can generally walk in, and there's often, in the fall, clinics that pop up throughout the community as well, put on by like health centers and health departments.
How long do you have to get the flu shot? I mean, if you get it, I mean, we're doing it in the fall, but the later you go.
Yeah, so the time at which the flu peaks is a little bit different every year. It's recommended to get vaccinated in September and October. That doesn't mean if you miss that window, you can't get vaccinated. The seasonal vaccines expire in June, so it's not really too late. Now's a great time to get it, though.
I can't help but think of parents, too, parents with young children that are going into schools, daycares, whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just, I mean, knowing my kids went through it, too, it's so important for them to get it because when you get home, it's too late.
Yeah, true. Those are settings where when one person has it, it's easy for it to spread, obviously, in schools. So, not a bad idea to have the little ones and the family vaccinated. It's an intramuscular vaccine, so we usually do it in the arm in older adults. We clean the site, administer the vaccine, give you a Band-Aid for the road, but your arm can be a little sore tomorrow. You can feel a little bit under the weather. Some people have that side effect, some do not, but it's generally well tolerated.
Is there a lollipop?
We have candies.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. It doesn't prevent you from getting the flu. It lessens the impact of the flu. I think that's a good difference for people to understand.
Sure. You can still come in contact with the virus and, have it in your body, but hopefully the vaccine will have given you a little bit of immunity, so it helps you better fight that virus when you have it.
It's good seeing you again.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Hi, I'm Kathleen Marshall. I'm HR for the New Bedford Police Department. We're here just giving out some little swag items, and we have some information on some of our events coming up. Like National Night Out is coming up next week, which is a really great event that the officers do with all the kids in the community. We have some resource information as well. Some of our outreach, domestic violence team is all listed there, giving out some brochures just to help people in the community, whatever they need assistance with. We also have some officers walking around answering some questions anyone might have from the community. So we have different emails on our business cards here, and then we also have our website, newbedfordpd.com. So any questions can go there. We also have our Facebook page, which is very active and checked daily. So
my name is Jacob Hughes. I'm a lieutenant with New Bedford EMS. We're here this year at the 2025 Health Fair, promoting some Stop the Bleed, teaching CPR, hands-only CPR, as well as promoting our up-and-coming EMT class that's kicking off this January. Out here interacting with our coworkers, fellow city employees, and teaching some tips that hopefully will help them if they're ever in the need in the middle of a medical emergency.
When is your next training?
Our next training class starts January. Will be published this week on our website, which is newbedfordems.org. We have about 12 seats that are going to be open in the class, and like I said, be posted in the next 2 to 3 weeks once we get approval from the state, and we'll start enrolling. It'll kick off first or second week of January. Our website is newbedfordems.org.
Hi, I'm Molly Gilfeather Rodriguez, the Director of Purchasing for the City of New Bedford. And we are here representing People's Press. We have some healthy juices here. This is the Green Mountain Dew. We've been told that it's delicious. It's very healthy. And this is the SOS, another pressed juice. And they are both no sugar added, fruits and vegetables only. And People's Press is located downtown New Bedford on Union Street. And we hope that you can stop by.
Hi, my name is Vito DeSimone. I'm the lead retirement plan advisor with Empower Retirement. We have a partnership with the Commonwealth of Massachusetts to deliver this retirement plan to all of the city, state, town employees in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, New Bedford being one of them. We offer solutions for employees to provide both pre-tax, after-tax savings and create a nest egg for their retirement. The plan is a very large plan. There's about 270,000 participants in the plan, about $15 billion in assets, has very low operating costs and expenses, and that's the real value within the state's retirement plan.
So I'm Ryan Miller. I work for Coastal Food Shed. I'm the food hub driver. We're here today giving out locally sourced produce to municipal workers, people who work for the city, and this is what we do. We source local produce and we make it available and accessible to people in the community. We have a pop-up shop in the Kilburn Mill now, Tuesday through Friday, 9 to 5. We do have a virtual market. We'll deliver food to your house. And we do a farmer's market on the weekly, year-round, even in winter, in Buttonwood Park.
Hi, I'm Christine Cunningham with United Way of Greater New Bedford, and we are happy to be at the New Bedford Benefit Fair just to tell everyone in the community all the things that we do with the generous donations that people bring to us. So we have a family resource center that we want everyone to know about. We are right downtown on Union Street, so anyone can call us. We can help with a myriad of issues. Just call us. If you have children, you need help, if you know somebody that needs help, give us a call and we can see what we can do. We can connect you with many other services. And then I like to talk about our website, volunteersouthcoast.org. And that I like to tell everyone about because you may have folks in your life that maybe children need volunteer hours for church or for school, or maybe you have someone in your life, a parent or an aunt that has retired, or maybe you're about to retire and looking for something to do. So this is a community resource that all of our nonprofits can register on for any of their volunteer needs. So maybe somebody needs some landscaping done for a project, maybe somebody needs some letters stuffed in an office. There's something for everyone to volunteer and give back to the community. United Way of Greater New Bedford is at 128 Union Street. The Family Resource Center is on the second floor. The main office is on the fourth floor of the DeMello building, so we're happy to help you. And you can contact us at 508-996-9625. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bill Redahan from Nationwide Retirement Solutions. We do the deferred compensation plan, retirement. I've been assisting the city employees for 25 years on how to prepare for and live in retirement. You can find us on the web at www.nrsforu.com. You could call my cell phone, 508-320-7001. I look forward to hearing from you. I can go out to any department you want. All right, thank you so much. Take care.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ariana from the EMS department, and this is Sue from the purchasing department. We are here today showing the benefits of tea and hydration. We're serving up some delicious samples of lemon iced tea, along with some strawberry and lemon infused water. Here we have some chopsticks to give out to the employees, as well as some Crystal Light. For maximum hydration, you can see here we have the benefits of hydration on our flyers. We also have some tea samples with a variety of flavors for our employees to try. And over on this side, we have a little bit of benefits on tea. So once again, this is Ariana from EMS and Sue from purchasing, and you can find us at City of New Bedford. Thank you so much.
I'm Diane Brown from Health Tracks. We're located at 375 Fonts Corner Road in North Dartmouth, and we provide a corporate partnership discount for all City of New Bedford employees. We're a full facility gym that has group exercise classes. We have 3 fitness facilities, cardiovascular, a half-court basketball court, racquetball courts, indoor track, sauna, hydro massage, and a lot of other amenities available for members and guests. We offer free guest passes for people to come in and check us out. You can reach us at 508-999-2171 and just ask for Diane.
Hi, my name's Rhonda M. Fazio. I work for the Coastal Food Shed, and we bring food within a 50-mile radius that is locally grown, and we bring it into the Farmers Food Hub in the Kilburn Mill. And my name out there is LaRonda, and I do the cooking and food preservation, and I teach people how to use locally sourced food. We're here today at the health fair with the, we have a farm table outside, and everything that I'm cooking, I did veggie fritters, is available outside. So a lot of customers came in wanting to know what we were doing, and I explained to them the fresh food tastes the best because it's literally just from the farm. And they always get the question, what do you put in it? It's literally fresh food, salt and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil, and that's about it. And cooking it is such a fresh flavor that surprises people. So we're really happy with what we do and what we offer the community. So be sure to come visit us. We are at the Buttonwood Park Farmers Market on Thursdays, 2 to 6. To the end of October, and then on Saturdays 10 to 2, the Warming House in Buttonwood Park. Thank you. Hope to see you there.
Hi, I'm Jessica Camarena with the recycling department at DFFM 294 Liberty Street. Hope everyone's doing well. We're just out here giving awareness about all the different programs that we have in New Bedford to help with waste reduction. So the idea is that we're saving space in our landfill. We're very fortunate in New Bedford to have our own landfill. We're saving a lot of money, and we have all these different programs as far as recyclables, what shouldn't go inside the recycling cart, like for instance plastic wrap, plastic bags. I have some demonstration here. Like things like this, these things get tangled inside the machinery at the MRF, which is the material recovery facility, and it's very dangerous for the folks that work over there. Essentially, they have to get in the machinery, shut it down, and rip it out with a knife, and ideally we don't want that to happen, so we want to keep them as safe as possible. You could take it to a local drop-off like Shaw's, Walmart. They do have a location where you could drop it off there and turn it into something new. We also have our food waste reduction program, so we have the food waste drop-off program at the recycling center located at 1103 Shawmut Avenue. We also have programs for backyard composting. We do subsidize our new age composter, also our earth machine, where you could do composting at home. We're also working on a food scrap collection program being collected curbside with partnership with Black Earth Composting. So you can always check that out at newbedfordrecycling.org. You can find out more information there and how to pre-register. And we're also trying to bring awareness of battery fires. So we don't want any rechargeable batteries inside the recycling cart or in the trash because they do cause fires when they get compacted in the truck. So hopefully, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at, again, newbedfordrecycling.org, or you can contact us at 508-979-1520. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Anthony Puente, Public Fire and Life Safety Educator for the City of New Bedford. We're here promoting fire safety and answering any questions in regards to smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, anything about cooking safety, having fire extinguishers in the home, using the fire extinguishers, proper use of them. Also smoking in relation to if you have oxygen in the home. We want to make sure that nobody smokes in the unit or in your home when there's oxygen in use. Making sure everybody has an egress plan, always having 2 ways out, no matter where you are, at home, places of worship, restaurants, even here at Fort Tabor, the community center, always having 2 ways out is very important. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at 774-770-5446, or you can come down to the Station 6. October 11th, we have open house from 11 to 2, but we'll also be at Boo at the Zoo if you want to come in and see me personally. We'll be there on the weekend of the 25th and the 26th from 10 to 4. Thank you and have a safe day.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm here with New Bedford Credit Union, and we're here today because at New Bedford Credit Union, we're in your corner through every stage of your life. So we got some different products and services, as well as a few guides here. At New Bedford Credit Union, we partner with Balance. It's a really good resource for different financial literacy tools. They have a bunch of different webinars, podcasts, different articles to get you through every different financial stage of your life. You can contact us at 508-994-6546.
Hi, my name is Mike Stewart. I'm the Director of All One Health Employee Assistance Program, also known as an EAP. This is a great benefit offered by the city. It includes current employees and retirees, and we're here to help you if you need some help. We provide mental health counseling, life coaching, legal, financial assistance. We're there for you if you need us. Consultation, call our 800 number, which is 1-800-451-1834. You can also access us at allonehealtheap.com. Very, very simple to use, 100% confidential, available to your household family members. We can all use help once in a while. If you'd like to access this great benefit offered by the city, please reach out. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Rochelle with YMCA South Coast here with Cedric Ferreira, the Full Plate Project Manager.
Hi guys.
And I am here to share some information from the YMCA with you guys. So over here we have membership information. Military, teachers, and first responders do get a discount, so there's information on that. And we're also promoting our financial assistance at the YMCA. We have a few community health programs that we're promoting, the Live Strong especially, and we have contact information. So Robin Bernier at the New Bedford Y is the wellness coordinator. And we have information on our shower hours and locations that we provide to neighbors that are facing housing insecurity. So at different YMCA branches within the South Coast Association, that is a service that we offer. And I will hand it off to Cedric to talk to you more about the anti-hunger work that we do at the Dartmouth YMCA and our volunteer program.
Hi, my name is Cedric Ferreira. I am the Full Plate Project Manager, as you already know. Over here we have our volunteer guide for the Full Plate Project, which is a mobile food market that we do across the South Coast YMCAs. It's a no barrier for entry mobile market, which means you don't need to be part of SNAP, you don't need to be part of any other programs. You can just come on down, we'll register you, and you can get free food. Over here you can see our Share the Harvest community farm information. That is the community farm that we have at the Dartmouth YMCA. It's both our volunteer programs that you could volunteer for or take part in. And on this one here, you can see our corporate day of volunteer support, where corporate sponsors will come in and volunteer for either program or both programs sometimes. and we have the Full Plate Project schedule right here for you for the month of October. The schedule does change slightly month to month depending on the weeks, but you'll find that our routine schedule is here on this left-hand side if you grab a pamphlet. My phone number is 508-246-3357. My email is cferreira, CFERREIRA at YMCA South Coast, YMCASC.org. You can contact me if you want to volunteer, if you want to take part in the program, anything that you might need concerning Share the Harvest or Full Plate Project.
Thank you. We also have some promo items, so stress ball that's an apple, a heart clip that's a refrigerator magnet, and some motivational pens. So just some nice visual cues for the community. I am involved in a lot of the community outreach work, and I can be reached at rcharleus@ymcasc.org. So it's rcharleus@ymcasc.org. And yeah, thank you.
My name is Jason from Agile Health and Fitness. This is your complete mobile fitness center brought directly to your place of business or to your home. We'll train individuals in this mobile gym, offering them bespoke workout plans, nutritional counseling, and fitness for life, for lifelong learners. All right, because we have some new people and I'm not sure of your fitness level and your fitness abilities, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start off using the cable machine, because that keeps things safe and it's pretty smooth and it's pretty friendly on your joints. What I'd like to have you do is we're going to start with a tricep press down, where you're going to grab the bottom of the rope. Your goal is to come down to your waist and off to the side. Don't come to your belt line. Don't come to your belt buckle together. That puts a little bit of pressure on the inside of your elbows. So we're going to come out and wide to get the full tricep. I'm going to lighten that weight up a little bit. Let's try that. And that's your goal. Beyond that, your next move, that's going to inform me as to what weight we should be at, because we're going to complete this with doing 2 handles and a crossover workout coming down like Hulk Hogan. That's pretty good. Yes. This is your and my posture when we're doing it. When we do it again, try to put your shoulders back and then down and then go. So you're locked in this position, and that's gonna help stabilize your back a little more. So shoulders back, and then tuck those shoulder blades into your back pocket. And now from there it is. And that's perfect. Your posture is already spot on, like you heard that direction and you were taking notes. And now from here you can go and turn it into a chest press. And that chest press can go out and forward. A lot of people find that really troublesome for their shoulders, and they get a little bit of rotator cuff strain. So we're going to come down and out, and that's going to work the entirety of your chest as you start here and then come down. And also it's going to engage your shoulders and your triceps. Squeeze together like you're trying to squeeze through it. Perfect. Then try to hit the top of this. That's your target. Perfect. That's it. 2. So when you want to contact Agile Health and Fitness, feel free to check out our website, and it is www.agilehealthandfitness.com. And some of the services that we offer, we will come directly to your property. We will train you at a cul-de-sac. We are happy to do beach classes. If you decided that you wanted to train overlooking a park or the ocean, we offer group fitness classes, and that can all be booked via our website, or you can always just call or text 508-542-6858. And we're happy to offer your first class for free and a free fitness assessment and a free workout to all of our prospective clients. If you're associated with the city of New Bedford in any way, it's also 15% off the top.